Welcome back to Dupe District, where smelling expensive doesn't have to break the bank. Dupers, a great original fragrance by Armani Emporium is stronger with you, sandalwood. So for that, I've got a great surprise for you, and this is Proud of You Sandalo by Fragrance World. Yep, they did it. We had to get it, and we are smelling it. Great spray. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's beautiful. Sandalo has the same DNA as Proud of You Intense, but with that great sandalwood note to it and smells expensive and very rich. The top notes is saffron, the middle notes is lavender, oak, and chestnut. Now the base notes is sandalwood, cedarwood, vanilla, and mixed spices. This is an overall great fragrance and will last you up to 7 hours. Projection is good to very good, but won't hinder people walking by you that's smelling you. You can definitely blind buy this bottle of fragrance and you will enjoy it. Again, Fragrance World has surprised us and we are thankful. That's Dupe District. Don't just watch the movement, be part of the movement.